Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a gorgeous car. It's a 1967 Plymouth Barracuda Formula S. Got the owner here. Doug's going to tell us a little bit about it. How you doing today, Doug?
Hello, good, fine.
Man,
Great
what a cool
day.
car, right? Gorgeous day. So, Formula S pretty rare. A little over 1,000 built, right? In this
Yes,
combination
yes.
with a 4-speed. Probably not so many, I would say. I'll have to do some research on that. So tell us about it.
Well, I have owned this car for 7 years. I've, loved this body style ever since I laid eyes on it when I was in high school.
Sure.
I've had Mustangs, GTOs, not in plural, a GTO, a Mustang, an MG C,
Those are fun cars.
and then I had kind of like nothing. And then 40 years later, I was just like riding in my cousin's 1970 Rally Sport Camaro,
Yeah.
and I was like, I can still do this. And
Yeah.
I started looking for that second generation
Sure,
Barracuda.
yeah, man. I love this body style. It's one of my favorite. Beautiful straight body. Finished in dark copper metallic. Sitting on Cragars. These look like old school Cragars, not original ones. Or not new ones, rather. Wrapped in red lines. I think it came from the factory at Red Lines.
That is correct. The spare tire still has a red line, original red line on it.
Huh.
I wouldn't recommend using it, but
It's very cool, though.
it's there.
Great for a show, too, or judging. Such a pretty car. Love the styling of this.
It was probably rotisserie restored because you get under the car, it's just about as shiny as the everything else.
Yeah, so pretty. Love the gauges, the dash. Hurst 4-speed. It's got belts all the way around. Carpet's gorgeous shape. A little bit of metallic in this paint too. Really sets it off. Beautiful chrome and stainless all the way around. You can really see how nice this paint is in the sun. It's got the Certa card with this car. Any other original docs, Doug?
Just the Surdy card.
Okay.
And there's some ownership titles for when it had been in Illinois. Uh, I really don't know the whole history.
It's got the original Fender tag too, which gives us our options.
Yes.
Beautiful straight body, gosh. Beautiful restoration too, whoever did it. Showing 61,776 miles. Crisp, clear gauges. No cracks in the steering wheel. Just a beautiful piece.
Nice bright lights in the dashboard. I had everything replaced with LEDs so that you could actually really see them well at night.
Beautiful emblems. Let's check out the motor. Nice and tidy under here. I love that I have cast manifolds and not headers. It's got a great sound to it. Dual exhaust pushing out turbo mufflers. Very correct under here. Even the radiator. Got a MSD ignition, electronic ignition. Here's your trim tag too. So you got B4 for the buckets, D9 front disc brakes, E1 air cleaner package. There it is, F7. That's your Formula S package. It was 2. See right there, that's assembled in Hammerock, Michigan. R1 AM radio, T7, gotta have the tack. X2 tinted windshield. Then you got the sure grip, the 323 gears. High back bucket seats. PNT HH1. That's the monochrome single color, dark color metallic. A lot of metallic too, super pretty. BH29 Barracuda Sport Hardtop 62 383 4-barrel. How many of those, huh? 4-speed manual, red lines, 285, 317. That's March 17. Cool. Beautiful. You don't really see these around. You see the Barracuda, not the Formula S. Hey, Doug, could you fire it up? That's so nice. Always been a super reliable car for Doug. Get in, turn the key, and go. Nice lumpy sound, huh?
Yeah, it's got
Sounds
a
nice.
bit of a cam in it.
Yeah, sounds really good.
Kind of, I guess they call it a street cam.
Yep, nice mild cam. Gives it that lumpy feel. Any other upgrades you do to it?
Aluminum balanced drive shaft.
Pretty.
Electronic tachometer that the internals are new.
Okay. Yeah, it sounds so good. AM radio.
We'll have to list the upgrades, but
Yeah. With the Hurst shifter. This center console is phenomenal.
yeah, as I said, nice bright LED dash lights that are dimmable, fully dimmable.
Day-night mirror. Beautiful headliner. Love how this back seat folds down too. Very cool. See, the interior lights are working super nice.
And it's got that nice, the fold down back seat.
Yeah.
Kind of turns it. Then that plywood panel drops.
Oh, wow. Oh, for access to the trunk.
Right, yeah. And you can sleep back there.
Cool. Love the wood grain too. Such a nice touch. Pretty car. Beautiful restoration.
It's a 3-core radiator upgrade from the 2-core that I had done, the first year of ownership.
Sure.
And
Love how you put a original Chrysler radiator in it, not an aluminum radiator.
Yeah. Well, we kept the tanks top and bottom.
Okay.
So it's just the central core.
Very cool. So pretty.
And it has stock front disc brakes, 4-piston Belsey Hayes.
Cool. Yeah, it's real crispy, nice. We go for a quick ride?
Yep.
Beautiful sills. Yeah, look at this door panel too. Windows and everything roll up beautifully. Nice and smooth. I love these gauges. Wow. Drives so nice. work too, huh?
Yeah, all the gauges work.
That's so nice. Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Give me a call. This one's not going to stick around. We're at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures and information on our main website. It's weebyautos.com. Thanks a lot.